Hey guys, welcome to FixLab Pro. Do you know the current battery health of your laptop? Or maybe you're planning to buy a secondhand laptop but aren't sure about its battery condition? Unlike iPhones, Windows doesn't show battery health in the settings. But don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to check your laptop's battery health on Windows. So without further delay, let's start the video. At first, click on Windows search option, then type CMD. Here, click on Run as administrator. Now your common prompt is enabled. Here, you have to type a command. I am giving the command in this video description. Copy it from there and paste it here. Or you can type the command, powercfg /batteryreport. Then press enter. Here, you will see the text, Battery Life Report saved to file path C drive HTML link. If you want to open this file very easily, then copy the entire link up to HTML, only removing the dot of the last. Once copied, open your File Explorer. Then paste the link you copied here and press enter. Here, your HTML file is opened in the browser. You can see that first the battery report is given. If you go a little below it, you will see the installed batteries. Here, you can know the type of battery. Mine is a lithium battery, so it is written Lion. Then you can see the design capacity and full charge capacity. To know the exact number of full charge capacity, your laptop must be fully charged. Here, the cycle count of your laptop battery is also given. Now, how can you know the battery health percentage? For this, open the calculator. When the calculator opens, you have to divide the design capacity from the full charge capacity that will be there. You have to multiply the result by 100. Then you can see the percentage of battery health of your laptop. My laptop is now a little above 80%. You can see the battery health percentage of your laptop in the same way. In this way, you can check the battery health percentage of your Windows laptop. If you want a more informative video like this, subscribe to the channel and like it. You can comment on any problem you have. Thanks for watching.